So we continue in this example with validating these syllogistic arguments. Again, a syllogistic argument is an argument that contains a quantifier. So we have this argument here. Our first premise, some new home construction comes equipped for solar energy. Here's our second premise, Anya just built a new home. And then of course here's our therefore, Anya's new home is equipped for solar energy. So we have to go ahead and represent this first premise here, and we could see we have two entities again. We have new home construction and equipped for solar energy. So I have to be able to represent it using the Euler diagrams, and the Euler diagrams are those circles. So I'll start off with a circle that represents the new home construction. And I'm just going to label it new home or new homes. How about that? Then I'm going to have a circle that represents the homes that are equipped for solar energy. But it says right here that only some of those new homes are equipped for solar energy. So this is going to look like this. And here's our solar. So we can see some new home construction comes equipped for solar energy, and that's true. That would be, I guess, this amount of area right in here. Those are the ones that, and this is true, those are the ones that come with the solar energy. So this right here represents our first premise. You could see that some of the new homes do come with solar energy. Some new home construction comes equipped for solar energy. Now the second premise, Anya just built a new home, is going to go on top of our first premise. So since this is not a quantifier, I could just use a label. We'll use A for Anya. So I'm going to put A right here. If that's where I place Anya, that confirms our conclusion here. Therefore, Anya's new home is equipped for solar energy, because here she built her new home and she's also in the solar energy. However, we could also put Anya over here. Here she has a new home. As you can see, here is our second premise in the new homes. Anya just built a new home. Here it is. But it doesn't have solar energy. Here, Anya still built a new home, but it does have solar energy. So since one shows that she does not have solar energy, her new home does not have solar energy, and another one shows that she does have solar energy, there's a conflict. And once you have a conflict, once you have more than one representation, there's a conflict. So this is an invalid argument.